Hello guys, we're back. So sorry we skipped Thursday's video. Today we're gonna be doing a intro to our new puppy, but please comment down below some good content for us to do, because we don't know what to do. We're clueless. We just started this. Today it'll probably be a boring video, but here's little Moose. He's 10 weeks old. He's a chai weenie mix. What? Bobby laughs at that. And just got him Saturday. And he really is cool, and we love him, and he likes to eat your hand. Well guys, please like and subscribe and tell us some good videos to do. Moose told us to do one of him eating our hands, but we don't want to do that, so it hurts really bad. So please tell us new videos to do. Bye.